Hello, good morning. Welcome to day 51 of your daily wellness. So today we're going to do some healing sounds. So this is healing sound meditation, similar to when we recently did the inner smile. We're going to focus on the 5 elements: the lungs, heart, liver, stomach, spleen, pancreas, and the kidneys, and then a little bit on the dantian. There are sounds and there are movements to go with each element. You're at home, no one cares, don't have to feel funny about it. Do the sound and movement along with me and release those tensions. So I will just show you what those sounds and movements are, just so you're aware when I'm describing them what we're going to do, but I will re-explain as well. So for your lungs, this is where we had the white light when we did the inner smile, getting brighter and brighter as we brought in energy. So now we're going to focus on releasing from the lungs energy. And as we do this, we bring the hands together as if we've taken hold of it, and we push up with a sound. So that will be lungs, and a push up. When we come to your heart, so your heart, that was the red light when we were doing the inner smile. For your heart, what we do, we take the hands up and across to the right. I don't suppose it matters which side. As we go across to the right, we do sound. So that is heart. Coming to your liver. So for the liver, that was the green light when we did the inner smile. So for the liver, similar to heart, but the other direction. And the sound is after that, stomach, spleen, pancreas. So for stomach, spleen, pancreas, we actually press the abdominal. So this was the yellow light on your healing sounds, on your inner smile, your healing sounds. As we push, we do, and we just gently push through those organs. Coming to your kidneys in the lower back, that was the blue light with your inner smile. So as you do your kidneys, we inhale and straighten. As you exhale, you push forward with okay, so and then your dantian is the same as your kidneys, that sound. So don't worry, I'll explain what we're going to do as we do it. It's you don't have to make the sounds, you don't have to do the movements if you don't want to, but it does help to put the movement, put the physical action and the sound with the visualization. So to begin, close your eyes, take a little fidget, find your comfortable space, try and get a little bit of alignment through the spine, just enough so we can breathe nice and freely. As you exhale, feel the shoulders relax down, feel the brow relax, your face relax. And if you want to, you can take a bit of movement throughout this meditation, a little sway side to side or forwards or backwards. Whatever helps you connect with your body. And start to slow your breath. Each inhale coming right down into your belly. Feel the belly expand. Each exhale coming all the way up. Feel that contraction through the abdominals, through the diaphragm. Empty it all out. Take a few more deep breaths. And then I want you to visualize your lungs. Bring your hands and rest them on the chest where your lungs are. Tilt the head as if we're looking down into the lungs. And as you take a few breaths, imagine gathering up all the sadness, loneliness, and grief in your life. Take a moment to focus on those things, to gather them up, to bring them together into the lungs. This is where we store the sadness, loneliness, and grief. And get ready to exhale them out. Take a big inhale. Remember, it's hands pushing up with a s sound. Good. Gather them all up as you exhale. 2 more times. Hands to the lungs. One more. Hands back to the lungs. And now we've created space, we can inhale some more of that chi, that golden light in, filling the lungs with more positive energy. And bring your hands over your heart. Visualize your heart. Look down as if you're looking into your heart, obviously eyes closed. And this is where we store our hatred, our hastiness, our impatience. So gather up those feelings, the things that have been causing those emotions. Gather them up. Imagine them gathering in the heart. Get ready to exhale them out with a sound. Hands extended and leaning over to the, we'll go left. Taking a big inhale. Reach them up. 2 more times. One more, letting it all go. Bringing the hands back down to the heart. Focusing on the inhale, on bringing that more positive energy in. Bring your hands to the liver on the right side of the abdomen, just underneath the rib cage. Looking down, visualizing your liver. Gathering up the frustration, the aggression and the resentment. This is what we hold in the liver. Frustration, aggression, resentment. Gather that up, take a few breaths. Okay, so this time it's a shh sound. We reach up and over to the right. Big inhale, gather it up. Up and shh. 2 more times. Good, 1 more time. Hands back down to the liver. Inhaling all the chi in, the positive energy now, filling up your liver. And then move across to stomach, spleen, pancreas on the left side of the abdomen, just under the ribs. Visualize these organs. This is where we store our worry, anxieties and stress. So visualizing those emotions, those energies gathering in the stomach, spleen and pancreas. And remember, this time is a sound as we press just under the ribs. Take a big breath, gather it all together. And exhale. 2 more. And then inhaling the more positive energy in, filling up your stomach, spleen and pancreas. Bring your hands to the lower back, to your kidneys. Visualize your kidneys. This is where we store our insecurity, our fear, and our past traumas. So visualizing your insecurities, fears, and past traumas gathering in the kidneys. Remember, this time as we inhale, we have a straight spine. As we exhale, we curve the spine and push the energy away with a sound. Take a big inhale. Push the energies away. 2 more. One more. Taking a few breaths now, replacing that negative energy that you just expelled with the positive chi, that golden light. And then bringing the hands to the lower abdomen, the dantian. Visualizing these organs, these are your reproductive organs. This is your powerhouse of energy. And this is where we store general negativity. This is where we store that general darkness, that bad habits, the things that are no longer serving us. Visualize these sort of things, anything we haven't already hit on with the other organs, visualize them gathering now towards your hands. The same as we did for the kidneys, the same sound and same motion. Gathering all the negativity, all the darkness, all the bad habits, everything that's not serving you. Big inhale. Exhale, push it away. 2 more breaths. One more. Let it go. Visualize now bringing that positive energy in, the golden light filling your dantian with more brighter energy, more vibrancy, more life. Start to feel that more positive energy flow through the body. Still breathing nice and deep. Spreading from those organs into your other organs, into the muscles, into the limbs, into every single cell in your body. Feel that positive energy, that chi spreading up into your mind. This cleansing, this refreshing energy. And take a little fidget, connect with the sensation in your body. When you're ready, you can gently bat the eyelids open. Taking a moment to acclimatize. And again, you can do this meditation anytime. Anytime you need it, you can just do one of the organs, one area. If you're feeling particularly lonely, we can just do the lungs, or if you're feeling angry, frustrated, let's go to the liver, stressed, stomach, spleen, pancreas. Any hatred, or if you're feeling impatient, the heart, fears, traumas, insecurities, your kidneys, and or just a general feel of negativity, your dantian. So, thank you for joining me for today's Daily Wellness, and I'll see you again tomorrow.